Samsung just launched a lineup of new devices in its Unpacked event. The stars of this mega launch were the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. Let's check them out. First, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Starting with the design. This is the lightest fold ever at 263 grams. The phone is now more durable than ever, as Samsung says it can survive 200,000 folds. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The display is gorgeous and has a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Not only that, it supports adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. Under the hood, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. There are some optical upgrades as well. It now has the nitography feature. Primary camera is now a 50 megapixel sensor with 2 microns pixel size over the previous 1.8. Also, now it can do a 30x space zoom, and the telephoto lens can now do 3x optical zoom over the previous 2x. Now the Z Flip 4. Just like the Galaxy Z Fold 4, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The cover screen is seeing some upgrades like new customization options and portrait mode in the camera. The primary screen features adaptive refresh rate and can go from 1 to 120 Hz. It also shares the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor from the Z Fold 4. Cameras are also seeing an upgrade with the added nitography mode. Apart from the phone, Samsung also unveiled their first ever Pro watch. We also got to see the new Galaxy Watch 5 and brand new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Are you excited for the new lineup? Let us know in the comments. As always, make sure to follow Business Insider India for more exclusive content.